So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. If you have any Samsung smartphone do you have and your smartphone is stuck when you configure your smartphone after hard reset, you forgetted your Gmail ID account detail and you don't know what is your accurate and actual Gmail ID detail. So in this video I can show you how can you configure without using Gmail ID account detail, and if you forgetted your Gmail ID, how can you unlock your smartphone by using this amazing service center offline method. In just only 5 minutes you can unlock all kind of Samsung Android smartphone within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you have to only follow all these methods into your locked Samsung smartphone, and at the end of the video you can unlock your smartphone without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. You can use your smartphone and you can unlock your smartphone without any system and computer. So let's start the video first. You can see here my friend, this is the Samsung smartphone, and if you forgetted your Samsung smartphone Gmail ID account detail, so you can see here I have totally 2 or more Samsung smartphone, and all Samsung smartphones are Google FRP log, and I have a service center. As you see here I have lots of smartphone to repair Google FRP issue. So first of all my friend, if you also facing this type of issue, first of all you have to connect only the charging cable, not with the computer. Okay, only connect with the charger, and you have to connect the charging cable into your logged Android Samsung smartphone. After that my friend, you have to change your language, means region, means country, to English United States, and you know very well the Google is also from United States, so you have to select the same and click OK. Done. After that you have to start your configuration, and after a few moments you have to click agree. And after that, if you have Android 15 or 16, means latest Android version, so this will 100% work on your Samsung smartphone. So after that there are 3 options: Galaxy or Android, iPhone or iPad, and set up manually. So you have to select the third option, set up manually first, and after that you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Okay, after successfully connected your smartphone with the internet, you have to click only next button here, and after a few moments, after a waiting of a few seconds, this phone is asking to enter your lock. Okay, but you forgetted this, so you have to click use my Google account instead here, and after a few moments again your phone is asking to enter your Gmail ID account details here, but you also forget this, so don't worry at all. If you click the next, the page will not go further. Okay, so you have to find this a small setting icon and click it. After open the setting, this page will come, and this is the very important setting page. You have to only click the last option, reset to default setting first, and after that you have to reset all of them one by one like that. This is very important, so you have to do the same thing, and after that go back and go to the first option. This is languages and types, so click here, click the second option, manage input languages. Okay, and you have to go to the right side corner and click 3 dot, click check for updates, and after a few moments the update option will comes. Okay, but you have to find the English, US and UK also, and deselect all other languages, and you have to update the selected options. After a few moments the update will be installed, as you see here. So go back and go to the suggest text corrections options here, and after that you got this manage apps option, so you have to click this, and after a few seconds again this many options page comes here. So you have to firstly turn off all the apps, and again turn on, and go to down and turn off few applications like Gemini, Samsung Max VPN, and done. Go back to the main page and go to the layout section, turn on all the options here, and also turn on www./.com, and this is very important. Go back again, go back to the first page, and after all this done, you have to click the emergency calls only page here, and when this page comes, you have to dial *#0 *#, and after that the setting page comes again, and here you have to find a very important option called sensor. So you have to find this and click OK. After that, you can see here there are lots of sensors are synchronizing here. Okay, so you have to wait for 3 seconds minimum, and after 3 seconds completed, you can go back to the main page. And when you comes in the emergency calls, you have to again type a very unique service center Google FRP removable code here, and the code is *#022*15122*, and you have to dial this number on the emergency call option. After that, you have to call this code and done. Go back and start your configuration as usual. So click start, click agree, and at this moment you have to arrange another Android smartphone. Unlock this, go back, and after that click Galaxy or Android device and click setup on the another Android smartphone and wait. You have to scan this barcode. Unlock this, and all done, my friend. Click don't copy here. You can choose a new type of pin pattern password lock, but at this moment I am clicking skip anyway. And all done. Your smartphone is completely unlocked now by using this amazing service center method. You have to only follow all these methods one by one into your locked Samsung smartphone, and at the end of the video you can unlock your smartphone. If you have any type of queries, comment us with subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will reply within 10 minutes so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung model at your home at free of cost. So don't hesitate to comment us with subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you subscribe our YouTube channel, our team will reply 100% within 10 minutes, and this is our term and condition. So if you want to get reply from us, so you have to comment us your specific Samsung model name after by subscribe our YouTube channel, and then after our team will reach you within 10 minutes so that you will be also able to learn how can you unlock your any kind of Samsung model at your home at free of cost. This is fully service center certified method, so you have to only follow these methods. And if you stuck at any moment, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will reply and give reply within 10 minutes so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung model. And if you have any Samsung model like A series, J series, F series, M series and S series, so you have to comment us with your specific Samsung model name. Our team will reply within 5 to 10 minutes so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung model. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.